everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. And today guys, I'm going to bring you a recipe from Creative in My Kitchen by Claudia. You know her, you know this particular website. I've done a couple of videos from this particular website, and today guys, we will try and make macadamia nut milk, creamy and delicious at home with very few ingredients, very simple. And guys, you will have your own clean, no chemicals, nothing, delicious, nutritious and healthy nut milk at home. So guys, welcome to today's video. Let's see what you're working with, because the ingredients are very few, and let's enjoy the video. Karibu sana. So for those who do not know Creative in My Kitchen, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can get the link to this exact recipe plus many recipes. Guys, check out that particular website. If you are into gluten-free, lectin-free lifestyle, this is the website that you need to go, guys. And she has 2 books that she has published. Everything is in the website, and we have done recipes from those 2 books of hers. So guys, let me see if I can show you the website so that you, once you get in, you know where you're going. Selection is too much. Yes, that's the website, guys. Creative in My Kitchen. As you can see, guys, this bread, this one, this is what I want to make next. I've been looking forward to try out that particular recipe. It's only one ingredient that I've not gotten that, but I will work on that. Look at all that, guys. So check out the recipe, check out the website and try out more recipes that are there. So karibu sana to today's video. Let's begin. This is what you are working with today. I have some salt. The recipe says a pinch of salt, so I'll just take a pinch of salt. I have some liquid stevia, but the recipe says it is optional. It says that you can flavor with your favorite liquid sweetener for extra sweetness, but it is optional, guys. So we will taste the milk and see if we need to flavor it. I have some vanilla essence. You can use a dash of vanilla powder. And I have the star of the show, the macadamia nuts that have been soaked in water for 2 hours. You need to use spring or filtered water. Guys, check out the recipe to see the exact measurements of the ingredients. Let's begin. We are supposed to drain and rinse the macadamia nuts. So let me remove them from this bowl first. Let me bring more water. I'll put some water over here, and then more water here. So we are rinsing thoroughly. That's what the recipe says, but I think this will be enough. 2 times should be enough. So here we have our rinsed macadamia nuts. The next step is blending, and then you will have your milk. So in the blender, guys, you're going to put some water, vanilla essence or powder, some salt bay, a bit, then our nuts, so we are going to blend until smooth and we have a milk-like consistency. What's up, bro? Yes, that. There. Look at that, guys. So the next step is straining the mixture, and the recipe says you use a nut milk bag. The nut milk bag. Yes, I don't have a nut milk bag, but guys, I'm going to use a strainer and this cloth. I think this will be enough, and I folded it 2 times. This will be enough. So here we go. Is our homemade macadamia nut milk. Let's see the consistency. It's, wow, guys, very creamy, very creamy. So now we taste first before I tell you bye bye. This was simple, quick and easy. If you know how we can reuse, kindly let us know in the comment section. You might be surprised outside here. So moment of truth, guys, moment of truth. We taste it and then we see. I think when someone sees it for the first time in a glass, you would not say that this is some nut milk. It just looks like regular milk. Wow. This is nice. Just tastes like a macadamia and it's very creamy. Wow. Guys, there you have it. Homemade, creamy, delicious macadamia nut milk. Try this out. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below for these exact recipes, and on that particular website you can find numerous lectin-free gluten. Jesus, are we glutening? Gluten-free recipes, and what else? Yeah, gluten recipes are, you find a variety, even sugar-free. Guys, check out that particular website and trust me, you will not be disappointed. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye and God bless. Guys, I've forgotten to mention, I've not added the stevia like I said I would add, because I feel like I like the milk as it is, and just like the recipe says, it is optional. I love it the way it is, so that's why I did not add the stevia. Sorry for forgetting that. But feel free to add whichever liquid sweetener that you want.